Welcome to Modanique. Today, we're taking you inside one of Miami's most exquisite modern apartments. A $7.2 million masterpiece that perfectly blends dark minimalism with luxurious comfort. Miami living at this level isn't just about the view or the finishes. It's a lifestyle where every detail speaks elegance and sophistication. Dark walls, black marble countertops, matte finishes, and subtle textures define this apartment. The trick to keeping it pristine? Less is more. Every surface should feel intentional. High-quality decor items, like a single orchid in a marble pedestal bowl or a neatly placed cashmere throw, make the space feel lived in without clutter. Warm LED coves, backlit mirrors, and subtle accent lights transform dark interiors. They highlight textures, add depth, and ensure the apartment never feels too heavy. Regularly check and maintain hidden LEDs to keep the ambiance consistent. Luxury materials like Nero Marquina marble, black oak, and matte leather require gentle attention. Polishing marble, conditioning leather, and wiping fingerprints from matte finishes keeps the apartment looking effortlessly chic. Even minor negligence can break the seamless, luxurious feel. The best luxury homes feel used but curated. Tell us in the comments, which feature in this apartment would you love to use daily? From sub-zero fridge panels to one-touch automation systems, hidden technology keeps spaces sleek. Maintaining these features, smudge-free panels, working smart devices, ensures the apartment looks effortlessly high-end. Luxury isn't frozen in time. It's the daily attention to detail, the subtle touches, and the thoughtful design choices that keep a 7.2 matters apartment feeling alive, inviting, and elegant. terrace, infinity pool, and outdoor kitchen need consistent attention. Wiping down black basalt counters, cleaning glass railings, and keeping the pool crystal clear preserves that dramatic Miami sunset vibe. A dark, modern apartment is more than architecture. It's a lifestyle. Minimalism, care, and intentional design make the difference between a beautiful space and a true work of art. If you love this tour, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more exclusive luxury home inspiration. And tell us below, which room would you spend the most time in?